Hello, good morning, children. Today we will begin with our subject Active English, Chapter 12. Yes, we have already done with the first exercise of Chapter 12, and now we begin with the next exercise, page number 28. So, when you're talking to your friends or you're conversing with somebody, and if you want to convey that the same message to the third person, to your mother, maybe your some other friend, so how will you convey? The two ways of reporting what somebody says is through direct speech and indirect speech. You may be thinking, yes, what is direct speech and indirect speech? So today in our chapter number 12 we will learn about direct speech and indirect speech. There are two ways of expressing your conversation. Yes, your narration. Let's learn more about it. What is direct speech? When we repeat the actual words said by the speaker as they are, it is said to be direct speech. Okay? When we are repeating the actual words said by the speaker, and usually the words said by the speaker, they are always in the inverted commas. Yes, so as they are it is said, so that is called as direct speech. Now let's see what is indirect speech. When we do not repeat the actual words said by the speaker, however, the meaning remains the same, so that speech is said to be indirect speech. Yes, good. Let's read once again. When we do not repeat the actual words said by the speaker and we are expressing in our own words, we are not repeating the same words, so however the meaning remains the same, so it is said to be indirect speech. And in indirect speech we do not use inverted commas. What do we use in indirect speech? Let's see. Yes, let's look at the example. In direct speech, she said, I am watching a movie. So, the speech, the narration is in the inverted comma. So, it is said to be in direct speech. Okay, and when we have to change it into indirect speech, the first rule you have to remember, you have to remove the inverted commas. As it is, you are expressing it in your own words, describing in your own words, so you have to use the word that, as well as you have to change the tense of the speech, as it is already spoken and now you are narrating it to someone else. So she said that she was watching a movie. So you have to remember the tense of the verb has to be changed. Let me give you one more example. As it is a lockdown period, we are not moving out of our house And if you want to talk to your friends, so you call up and talk to your friend and you say, I want to talk to you. So what does she say? I am busy. And this speech, this narration, whatever she conveyed, you want to convey it to your mother. So how will you convey? Yes, she said that she was busy. Okay, let's move on to our exercise. Write sentences beginning with Prem said that, Maya said that. Yes, number 1, it is hot, said Tanvir. Yes, who said? Tanvir. So now when we are writing in indirect speech, the first rule, we have to remove the inverted commas. We will not add inverted commas. Yes, and the second rule is we have to use the word that. Okay, we will use the word that. And it is hot, the speech you are, the which is already said, so you are conveying it now. So in that you have to change it into past tense. So you will use the word is will become was. Correct? Very good. So what will be your answer? Tanvir said that it was hot. Okay? Yes. And number 2, I want a drink, said Maya. So you will remove the inverted commas. Yes, and start your begin with your sentence with Maya said. Yes, you will begin your sentence. How will you begin? Maya said that. I will become she. Yes, she wanted. Yes, so you're changing the verb into the past tense. Okay, she wanted a drink. At the end you have to put a full stop. Very good. Next, number 3, it is very nice, said Maya. Okay, so here again you will have to change the tense of the which word? Is. Very good. It is very nice, said Maya. How will you begin? You will use, yes, at the beginning you will use Maya said that it was. Is will become was. Very nice. Okay. Number 4, the water is warm. So you will change is and it will become was. The water is warm, said Venkatesh. So you will begin. How will you begin? Here, whose name is given? Venkatesh. Yes, so you will write in the beginning, Venkatesh said that the water was warm. Yes, very good. Is will become was, and you have to use the word conjunction word that. We move on to next. Number 5. I want to go home, said Anu. Yes, now who has spoken these words? Anu. Okay, so now you will begin your sentence, your indirect speech with Anu said that. Remember the word that you have to use because you are describing in your own words, so you have to use that word in the indirect speech. Anu said that she wanted. Want will change and become wanted to go home. Anu said that she wanted to go home. Yes, at the end, full stop, correct. Number 6. I like sweets, said Raj. Now whose name is mentioned here? Raj. And which is the verb in the narration? I like. So like is the verb, correct? So like we have to change into the past tense. What it will happen? Yes, it will become liked. Raj said that he liked sweets. Yes, liked. Can you see the verb liked? Yes, like will become liked, and the word that has to be used. Okay, we move on to next. It's 10 o'clock, said Prem. Yes, here you will begin your sentence with Prem said, very good, that, correct, it was 10 o'clock, correct, very good. Is will become was. It is 10 o'clock. So when you are describing it, you are talking about something in the past which is already said by someone else. So Prem said that it was 10 o'clock. Number 8. I want to have another drink, said Maya. Yes, the verb here is, can you tell me, identify the verb? Yes, tell me. Want, correct. Yes, so want is in the present, and if we write it in the past tense, what will happen? Wanted, correct. So how will you change? And you will begin with which name of the person? Maya, correct. Maya said that, very good, she wanted to have another drink, full stop, very good. Number 9. It is going to rain, said Mohan. What is the rule? Remove the inverted commas while writing in indirect speech. Correct? First rule. Second thing, you have to use the word that. And third thing, you have to change the verb into past tense. Correct. So is will become was. Correct. Mohan said that it was going to rain. Full stop. Very good. Number 10. We like swimming, said the girls. Yes. So now the name is not given. The girls. So how will you start your sentence? Yes, you will start with the girls. The girls said that. Yes. Said that they liked swimming. Like will become, in the past tense we will use liked. Correct. The girls said that they liked swimming. Very good. Yes, look at number 11. We don't like walking, said the boys. Yes. How will you begin your sentence? Yes, with the boys. You will begin with the boys said that. Yes, we are talking about many. So what we will use here, the or they. They, correct. The boys said that they. Yes, in the past tense we are using. So what will we do? Don't will become yes, didn't. The boys said that they didn't like walking. Yes, once again, the boys said that they didn't like walking. Full stop. Last, number 12. I feel cold. Yes, the verb is feel. So we have to change it into the past tense. So feel will become felt. Correct. Feel is irregular verb and it is changing and it is becoming in the past tense felt. Yes. I feel cold, said Anu. How will you begin? Yes. Anu said that she felt cold. Okay. So feel will change into felt. Very good. Anu said that she felt cold. Okay. Full stop. So here we have come to the end of the exercise. Yes. So you have learnt about direct speech and indirect speech. Quickly, let us revise. Direct speech is the words as they are spoken and we write them in the inverted commas. And indirect speech, we describe it in our own words. So we use the word that. That is conjunction. We use that to describe the words. Yes. And what else? We remove in indirect speech, we remove the inverted commas. There are no inverted commas in indirect speech. Yes. So today we have learned to change sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Correct? We have learned which change of speech from direct speech to indirect speech. Correct. Yes. Hope you have followed the exercise. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye, children.